Hey everyone! If you're new here, I'm Jojo, owner of John Gas, and today we're going to talk about one of the smartest strategies you can use to grow your clothing brand without breaking the bank, and that's the pre-order method. Pre-orders are a game changer, especially if you're just starting out or even if you're trying to scale your business. You can get customers to commit to buying your products before you even produce them, which means less risk, better cash flow, and the chance to gauge demand before you commit to a big order. Sounds pretty awesome, right? So, how do you actually run a pre-order campaign? It's pretty simple, and I'm going to walk you through it. First, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to offer. Start by designing your collection and deciding exactly what products you're going to offer for pre-order. Is it t-shirts, hoodies, hats? Be specific with your designs and make sure they align with your brand's identity. It's important to have your designs ready before launching the pre-order, so that customers know exactly what they're getting. High-quality images, detailed product descriptions, and size charts will help with this. Next up, set a timeline for your pre-order campaign. A pre-order isn't something you can run indefinitely, so you need to decide on a start and end date. Typically, a pre-order campaign lasts 2 to 4 weeks. This timeline should be communicated clearly to your customers so they know when they'll get their orders. Whether it's 3 to 6 weeks or even a couple of months down the line, be realistic about your production and shipping times. It's better to under-promise and over-deliver. Now let's talk pricing. When running a pre-order campaign, you want to price your products attractively to encourage early sales, offering a slight discount compared to your retail. Price is a great incentive for customers to pre-order. For example, you could offer a 10-15% discount, but just make sure that the price still covers your production costs and leaves you with a profit margin. You don't want to price it too low and lose money when it's time to produce. Once you've got your designs, timeline, and pricing ready, it's time to set up a landing page or online store for customers to place their pre-orders. You are going to use Shopify to create a store and put a pre-order plugin. The page should be easy to navigate and should include all the important details, high-quality images, product descriptions, and a clear call to action like Shop Now. Adding a countdown timer or saying only X days left to order can also create urgency and encourage people to act fast. Of course, once your pre-order page is live, you need to get the word out. You can't just hope people will stumble upon it. Use social media, email newsletters, influencer marketing, and even paid ads to promote your campaign. Show off your products in action and explain why pre-ordering is a great way to support your brand. Share sneak peeks, behind-the-scenes content, and remind your audience of the pre-order deadline. After your pre-order period is over, it's time to produce and fulfill the orders. Stay on top of your production process and keep your customers updated throughout. Regular communication is key. Customers appreciate knowing when their order has shipped or if there are any delays. If you fulfill on time or even earlier, it will help build trust and loyalty for future campaigns. Finally, after your pre-order campaign is completed, take some time to celebrate your success. But also, be sure to collect feedback from your customers. What did they love about the process? What can you improve for next time? Collecting feedback will help you improve your future pre-orders and the overall experience for your customers. So, that's how you can run a successful pre-order for your clothing brand. It's an amazing way to reduce risk, generate cash flow, and build hype around your new collection. Just remember to plan your designs, set a clear timeline, price your products correctly, market effectively, and keep your customers informed every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, drop a comment below. If you have any questions about pre-orders or running a clothing brand, also join our Discord to get free resources and knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.